Hey everybody, we are doing adding and subtracting fractions this week with unlike denominators. So the first step that we need to do is find our common denominator. So we find this by listing out the multiples of our two denominators. So 5 and 3. And your multiples are your multiplication facts. 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 3 is 15, 5 times 4, etc. So for 3, we have 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 3, 3 times 4, 3 times 5, 3 times 6, like that. And we find what they have in common, so in this case, it's 15. So we use that for our common denominator. And I'd totally recommend using graph paper to help those students that need help lining up these fractions and doing it correctly. So when we did 15, we did 5 times 3, and that equaled 15. So because we use 3 here, we have to do the same thing for the numerator. So 2 times 3 is 6. So our equivalent fraction is 6/15 to 2/5. We take the same thing and we do it for 1/3, and 1 and 3 times 5 is 15, so then our numerator is 5 times 1 is 5. And then you add them, 6 plus 5, 11, over the same denominator, 15.